Hello, welcome to my new video. I'm here to talk about anything that um, I will talk about any idea that comes to my mind, and I think, oh, that's a good one. So I don't have a subject of this video. The purpose is just to um, register my evolution and to practice actually my English, um, as the two guys that watch my videos know. I'm Brazilian. Brazilian. I'm Brazilian, so my mother mother language is Portuguese. Um, it's not English. So no, not Ah, uh, it's obvious. Clear. It's clear that my mother language is not English, but okay. Um, so I have a book in my desk. In my desk, no, in my table. Desk is desk. What? What's the difference between desk and, and table? I'm I'm surprised that I don't know what's a desk. It's very common. It's a very common word. I'm sure. So just a moment. It's a table. Desk. It's a table. Yeah. And a desk table is office table. Um, according to Google, Google, my pronunciation is very bad today. In Portuguese too. Yeah, it's not a fault of my English. So, as the Google Translator said, um, I will pick. I'm picking. I'm grabbing. I'm catching. Um, the book that was in my table, or my desk table, or my table desk. So the book is Harry Potter. It's English version that I have picked had had picked. I picked in my library, the library of my school. So I'm finishing and the school actually. I'm the third grade. Um, in Brazil, the high school goes just to the third third grade. Third. Okay. Um, maybe in United States and um, England and other places that the people speak English. Uh, it's this way too, but I don't know. And just um, a comment. No, no, no. Just punctuation of the dialogue. I'm finishing the school, so I have think I can delve uh, any book that I want in Portuguese if I have the money to do it. But in English, it's a kind of a difficult task because I wouldn't know if I can understand the content of the book. Uh, this book, uh, by example, by example is it's strange, but um, I don't have other term to uh, swap swap it to put in my phrase instead. So this book, Harry Potter, this one is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. I didn't know. I don't know. I don't know this history. I remember the philosopher. What's the English version? In Portuguese is pedra. It's a rock. A rock. Filosofal. So philosophical is philosophical, but I don't know in English. Probably it's not the philosopher rock, but um, some days ago I tried to pick a book in English that not was Harry Potter is a book of Shakespeare, but it's not to, it's not actually of Shakespeare. It's a story of Shakespeare, but it was a simplified version to modern English, and the promise is to be a easier version. And I don't have doubt that that the those those and these are the plural. That these that maybe that this is for thing that is near me, but I will continue. Uh, the book is the book was difficult, more difficult than I expect, and I can't continue reading. But my lucky, yeah, I don't will use the translator every time that I don't know, but my advantage is that I had a water book with me in the library of Safetch. Safetch is my school. We can pick three books. So I have picked the oh, I don't remember. I think it's Hamlet. It's Hamlet. No, no, it's not Hamlet. It's Romeo and Juliet. Romeu e Julieta in Portuguese, but um, in English, I I don't remember. So I tried to read and I didn't can. Going back to the present, it's not back to the future. It's back to the present. I'm reading the Harry Potter, and that is a very easy book, very easy uh, construction of phrases. Obviously, I have a lot of words that I don't know because I don't have so much contact with the language. Um, and I decided it's not an original idea. Actually, it's a idea of me. It's mine idea, but it's I don't have this idea of um, writing to write the words that I didn't know. The idea uh, becomes to life. I don't know, surge. Surge it's near surgeon. That's not that's not correct, probably. But idea. Um, yeah, I think it was when I'm trying when I had tried when I tried. Okay, I will I will choose when I tried to learn Italian. So I pick I picked a book in the library. It's a small book for kids, maybe, or um, in fact, foreigner foreigners readers. But uh, I will I will pick the little book. So that's the guy. Um, as you can see, I had painted. I painted. I did paint a flag, Italian flag. Let's see an old annotation. Oh, I think it that was a good idea to put a marker of the letter. Letter, it's like the thing of of animals. A letter, maybe letter. It's not um, a letter, a letter to a letter. I don't know, but the letter to write a letter. Anyway, I let me see if I can find it. Yeah. G, it's not a good word to start. Okay, yeah, S. Let's see with S. I have here stesso. It's the same thing of same. Uh, Siediti, siediti. It's the same thing of um, sit, sit down, but it's not elegant, but it's a normal way. It's not like a order. Sit down. It's sit up, sit, take a seat, take a seat. It's a good translation maybe. Um, um, Stanco. In Portuguese is cansado. It's like tired. Um, and that was a good notebook. Um, my level of Italian is very low, lower than my English, but I tried to do the writings and the annotation and taking notes, any expression that you prefer. The objective is that you can understand that I'm saying. While the taking notes while I'm reading. So I'm in the chapter 2. I like it. The chapter 1. It's about a prime minister, and he have some problems. He had some problems, like a smuggle guy appearing, um, like an how I can say do nada, de repente. Um, it's a common thing. I should search later, but uh, it's a it's a good book. It's a good history. I like. Uh, I don't know the person of J.K. Rowling, the author. Author is not just masculine. Author. In Portuguese, we have masculine and feminine words. In German, you have masculine, feminine, and neutrum. Neutrum. Mm. Yeah, it's neutrum. No, I'm wrong of the pronunciation, but three genders. In Portuguese, we have two genders, two words, common words. But English maybe, and the idea of a gender of an object don't have so much sense actually. How this pencil can have a gender in Portuguese? Actually, it's a guy. No, a girl. It's she. It's a she. In Portuguese, we say a. It's like the um, article, article, but it's not like an article that study article. It's like a linguistic thing. Article, artigo, uh, as we say in Portuguese. But um, a caneta, a pen, a pen, a pen. I I say pencil. I I'm I'm wrong. It's a pen, a pen, and it's a girl. In Portuguese, in English, it's just an object. Maybe makes more sense. In German, it's the Kugelschreiber, Kugelschreiber, or the cute way to say this. It's the um, oh, it's just four words. Oh, I don't will remember, but that's the video of today. It's the 7th of November, 2025, and yes, in Portuguese we say in first the date of the month, like the 7, and later we say the month, November, and later we say the year, 2025. So that's it. I think in Chinese, it's like, it's not Mandarin, maybe it's Mandarin, but I heard a lot of the word Chinese, maybe to refer to people. It's a good choice, but uh, I don't have certitude. I'm not sure. I don't have a certitude. It's very wrong. It's right there wrong, but I'm not sure. I think the Chinese people say first the year, later the month, and later the day. It makes sense because situate you better in the time. Um, yeah, that's it. Thank you for the attention. Thank you for the 2.20. No, no. Erase my last phrase. Thank you for the two guys that watch my videos. Um, Thank you so much. I love India. Thank you. And that's it. Bye. Good night.